I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials: an active Apple Music subscription on the same Apple ID and device. Once done, turn on Sync Library in the Music app so tracks and playlists are available. Next, open Settings and grant Djay Pro permission to access Apple Music. Without that permission, Djay cannot read your library. Then launch Djay Pro and watch it scan the music database. This initial bridge is critical because Djay needs native access to play and analyze your tracks in real time. Once Djay Pro sees Apple Music, you load playlists directly from the Library Apple Music section. You should analyze tracks right away so BPM, key, and beat grids are calculated. This makes beat matching and harmonic mixing accurate. Make sure to preview tracks and adjust beat grids where automation missed a transient. Then organize songs into simple playlists or add tags for quick recall during sets. Taking the time to analyze and organize saves you live corrections and keeps transitions smooth. Now you perform final checks. Pre-cue headphones, enable waveform zoom, and use pitch nudge to lock tempos before the mix. You can export local edits or prepare offline caches if you plan to DJ without internet. If a track refuses to play, first make sure Sync Library is active and Djay is authorized to access Apple Music, then relaunch both apps. If problems persist, sign out and back into Apple Music or reinstall Djay to refresh permissions. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.